सो पंचनमुकारो सब पावपणासनो मंगलाणं च सवेसी पढमं हवै मंगलम्।
Late Sri Sardar Malsa Chordia was born on 25th December 1938 to Padma Shri Mohan Malsa Chordia and Srimati Neni Kavarbai in Chennai, erstwhile Madras. Sri Sardar Malsa Chordia was a youth style icon and a star in his own right. An avid traveller and a foodie to the core, his love for bonda, bhujia and rose milk was legendary. On the 7th of February 1958, he married Panna Devi, a relationship that lasted a lifetime and something we believe that has continued beyond. Truly an ideal couple who lived life to the fullest and set a significant benchmark for others to follow. A superhero to his children, a person who pursued his indulgence through his grandchildren, and a key figure in maintaining relationships across generations.
मैं और सरदार मलसा हाई स्कूल में दोस्त बने, बहुत अच्छे दिन थे। और फिर कॉलेज में आए, कॉलेज में भी हमारे बहुत अच्छा रहा। चाहे कार में जाओ या ट्रेन में जाओ, हमेशा साथ ही जाते साथ ही आते। जफार आइसक्रीम पार्लर ज़रूर जाते, वहाँ पर या तो पिस्ताशियो आइसक्रीम लेते या मिल्क शेक लेते। फिर बड़े हुए, 1958 में सरदार मलसा की शादी हुई और मैं भीनासर गया उनके साथ बारात में, बहुत मज़ा आया। और फिर वो भी मेरी शादी में आए बॉम्बे और बहुत ही अच्छा रहा। हम बहुत से हिल स्टेशन साथ में गए, जैसे कोटगिरी, कूनूर, वेलिंगटन जिमखाना क्लब, कुचेरा। हम हमेशा दिसंबर में जाते और उनके साथ नया साल मनाते थे। ऐसे भी अगर कुचेरा कभी कभी नहीं जाते थे तो भी नया साल तो साथ नहीं मनाते थे। अभी तो काफ़ी उनके साथ ECR जाते थे और वहाँ पर हॉलीडे लेते थे और उनका साथ बहुत ही सुखदायक था, इजी गोइंग था, क्योंकि वो इंसान ऐसे थे जो हंसते हंसाते थे। भाभी जी के चले जाने के बाद वो टूट गए, हमें भी बहुत धक्का लगा। उनके बच्चों ने बहुत सेवा करी उनकी, घर में क्या, हॉस्पिटल में क्या। एक बात जरूर कहूँगा कि सुमिता और सब परिवार ने तो दिन रात एक कर दिया, सेवा में कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ी। उसने दिन रात खड़ी रहती, खाए पिए बिना। ऐसी बहु नसीब वालों कोई मिलती है। May your tribe grow.
Armanji was 3 years younger to me. We were close friends in spite of being close relations from school days. He finished his graduation sometime in 1962-63. In 1964, I met Sri Mohan Malji Sahib and told him a small-scale capsule manufacturing unit by name Meadow Farm with an import license of rupees 5 lakhs was for sales, and I suggest to him to buy this for Sardar Malji. I must mention, without a wink, he told me, go and negotiate the deal, and that's how Meadow Farm came into his fold. I must say, without any pharma background, he worked very hard, and because of his efforts, Messrs. Meadow Pharma today is a name to be reckoned with as a producer of generic medicines all over the world. In 1968, last week of November, we both went together to develop export business, and it was the first trip for both of us out of India to Colombo. In short time, he became one of the largest generic suppliers to Sri Lanka. He was a soft-spoken, would rarely lose his temper, and very good at heart. I pay my respects to the department soul, Mohan Chand Dada.
सफलता के साथ संपन्न हुए तो उन्होंने बहुत प्रशंसा की। फिर 2 बार नेत्र शिविर निरीक्षण में करने आए और सेवा की सराहना की। जब से सरदार मलसा जैन कॉलेज के सेक्रेटरी बने, तभी से रात दिन शिक्षा के विकास के योजनाएं बनाते रहे। आज करीबन 8,000 विद्यार्थी शिक्षा ग्रहण कर रहे हैं। इसके पीछे उनकी सोच और भाई श्री शांति नाहर का श्रम है। जिस पर कोई भी संस्था समाज गर्व कर सकता है। शिक्षा ग्रहण करने वाले विद्यार्थियों के दिलों में हमेशा उनकी याद रहेगी।
राजा राणा छत्रपति हत्यन के अश्वा सबको जाना एक दिन अपनी अपनी बात। सरदार माँ साहब हॉस्पिटल में थे, उधन को पूछा कैसे है, उसने कहा आप जाप कीजिए। 2701 नौकार मंत्र का जाप किया था तो हरदम करता रहा। एक दिन उधन ने कहा चमत्कार हो गया बाबू साहब, ऑक्सीजन लेवल 95% आ गया और डॉक्टर ने कहा कल घर पर लेकर जाइए। घर पर लेकर आए तो उधन ने कहा आपका दोस्त आपसे बात करना चाहता है। मैंने बात की तो उनकी आवाज़ फटी हुई थी। मैंने कहा सरदार मान साहब बाद में बात करेंगे। मेरे जाने के बाद में उधन से वह कहते हैं उधन तेरे को मालूम है जब आप पश्चिम के अंदर इनकी फैमिली और अपनी फैमिली काश्मीर टूर गए, चश्मे फ्राई में ठहरे थे, 36 दिन बहुत एंजॉय किया था और आज भी बातें याद आती हैं।
श्री सरदार मलसा चौरड़िया उससे मित्रता के अलावा भाईचारा ज़्यादा रखते थे। वो एक आदर्श और विशाल हृदय के व्यक्ति थे। भाभी जी और उनके 15 दिन के अंतर में चले जाना इस बात को दर्शाता है कि वो दोनों साक्षात राधा कृष्ण की जोड़ी थी। मेरी पत्नी के देहांत के बाद वो हमेशा एक बात कहते थे फोन पर कि घर में क्या करते हो, मैं गाड़ी भेजता हूँ, मेरे घर आ जाओ। प्रेम और अपनापन कूट कूट के भरा था। भगवान उस मोहगामी आत्मा को शांति प्रदान करे। ओम शांति, ओम शांति।
श्री सरदार मलजी चौरड़िया का व्यवहार हमेशा मिलनसार, मृदुभाषी, हंसमुख चेहरा हमेशा याद रहता है। अनुशासन प्रिय, अपने कार्य के अंदर पूरी लगन के साथ हर कार्य की पूर्ति करना उनका हमेशा ही रहा है। उनका उद्देश्य हमेशा यह रहता था कि गरीबों की जिसकी जितनी भी अपन सहायता कर सकें उनकी सहायता करो, चाहे वो जैन हो या जैन हो, कोई भी संप्रदाय से ऊपर उठ के हमेशा आगे बढ़ते थे।
Sardar Malji was a very dear family friend of Javas. He was personally known to me since 90s as we were in the same pharma business. I have lots of fond memories of our association with him. Though Sardar Malji was older to me by over 12 years, but he was always a dear friend and a well-wisher to me. Together, we have had lots of accomplishments and continue the efforts even today through his son Udan and my son Bharat. As his name suggests, he was a true Sardar in real terms. I found him very bold and a crusader against any wrongdoing, even if it was with the government or private sector. The trust he bestowed upon me was unimaginable.
जय जिनेंद्र। शासन परिवार के मार्गदर्शक और गुरु श्री सरदार मलजी चौरड़िया का इस तरह अचानक महाप्रयाण कर देने से जैन समाज को ही नहीं बल्कि एसएस जैन एजुकेशनल सोसाइटी को भी बड़ी क्षति पहुंची है। वे नाम के ही नहीं, विचारों के, सरलता के और दूसरों को प्रोत्साहन देने के भी सरदार थे। हमने शासन जब से शुरू किया तब से उन्हें उनका मार्गदर्शन हमें मिलता रहा और वे हमें बड़े प्यार से हमें प्रोत्साहन देते रहे। आज जो ख्याति शासन को मिली है उसके बड़े कारण सरदार मलजी चौरड़िया ही थे। उनकी धर्मपत्नी श्रीमती पन्नाबाई का भी थोड़े दिन पहले अचानक स्वर्गवास हुआ। हम इन दोनों आत्माओं के चिर वियोग से चौरड़िया परिवार को जो असहनीय दुख की कल्पना कर सकते हैं, उनके परिवारजन उड़नजी चौरड़िया, उनके सभी चौरड़िया परिवार के सदस्य उनकी पावन स्मृतियों को चिरस्थायी बनाएं। ऐसा करना ही उन्हें सच्ची श्रद्धांजलि होगी। ओम अरहम, ओम शांति।
My association with Sardar Malji is more than 65 years old. He was a very affectionate person, was man of few words but full of action and determination. When I was forming Rajasthan Youth Association, he was a great support to me and he became a very strong pillar of RYA. He also became president of Jain Bhavan. He started taking very active interest in AIMS Jain College while I was associate secretary in 1985. It became his mission to make AIMS Jain College as one of the finest institutions of our nation. He was basically a family man, dear to everyone. It's a great personal loss for me and to the entire community. May his soul rest in peace.
साहब के नाम से जाने माने श्री सरदार मलजी साहब चौरड़िया जो हमारे बीच में नहीं रहे, आज चौरड़िया परिवार को बहुत बड़ी क्षति हुई है और ये खाली चौरड़िया परिवार को नहीं, पूरे जैन समाज को क्षति हुई है। आपका मधुर प्यार, आपकी मुस्कान, आपकी मधुर वाणी, आपका सहयोग, आप में दया भावना इस हमें हमेशा प्रेरित करती रहेगी और आपका आशीर्वाद हम सब के ऊपर हमेशा बना रहेगा। इसी उम्मीद के साथ मैं आपको प्रणाम करता हूँ। ओम शांति।
As President of SS Jain Educational Society, I pay my highest tribute and gratitude to Sri Sardar Malji Chordia, who was son of Padam Shri Mohan Malji Chordia. Mohan Malji Chordia was the founder of this society and college also. He took lot of interest in the development of the society. As him, his son Sardar Malji Chordia has done magnificent work for AIMS Jain College and created history in Chennai and surrounding states. You won't find such good college as AIMS Jain College has earned the name. All this credit go to late Sri Sardar Malji Chordia, whom we can never forget and who created history in SS Jain Educational Society.
மாலை உதன் அவர்கள் தனது தந்தை சர்தார்மால் சோர்டியா அவர்கள் இறந்து போனதாக கூறினார். இதை கேட்டதும் நான் எனது மனது ஒடிந்து விடுமோ என்று பயந்தேன். அந்த அளவு தாங்க முடியாத துக்கம். நாங்கள் சர்தார்மாலும் நானும் பழகியது 1975ஆம் ஆண்டு அவருடைய ஆஃபீஸில் அவரை சந்தித்து முதல் அவர் இறக்கும் வரையும் நாங்கள் இருவரும் ஒரு பிரியாத நண்பர்களாகவும் உறவினர்களாகவும் வாழ்ந்து வந்தோம். எங்களது அன்பும் பண்பும் நட்பும் தான் நாங்கள் இவ்வளவு உயர்ந்த நிலைக்கு சென்றோம். இறைவன் அவருக்கு நல்ல ஆத்ம சாந்தியை கொடுத்து மீண்டும் பிறவாமை பெற வேண்டும். இந்த உலகத்தில் மீண்டும் பிறந்து கஷ்டப்பட வேண்டாம், பிறவாமை வேண்டும் என்பதே எனது அவா. நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
And in the years that followed, I was the continuing recipient of his affection and drank copiously from the perennial fountain of his love. After my immediate family of parents, wife and children, uncle together with auntie was the world of my comfort and happiness. The number of meals auntie served me with motherly affection under the watchful and loving eyes of uncle. Only my mother and wife have served me more. Uncle is a renowned industrialist and an accomplished educationalist. But standing head and shoulders above these is that he is an unrelenting crusader of joy and happiness all around him as a hand-picked angel of God. The camaraderie, bonhomie and unity amongst the residents of First Avenue is a standing testimony to the magical wand of concern, affection and limitlessly generous hospitality with which Uncle united and molded the diversity of residents to form an extended family based on pure friendship of equality, making it a paradise on earth. Every day was a celebration. Birthdays, wedding anniversaries, personal achievements, and even the rain. His magnetism and rare chemistry of concern and affection tightened our relationship into a bond and has left me beholden with a treasure house of memories to cherish for the remaining years of my life. And for this timeless gift, I am grateful to the Almighty. Our relationship with uncle and auntie is for keeps, and nothing can dent it, not even death. Uncle was a champion who never talked. He just performed for the world to talk. His magic was not far to seek, ever unassuming and with an understated elegance that he always took care to mute. Wherever he met a stranger, there he left a friend. Thank you. The crowning days were the Independence Day and Republic Day, when the whole avenue would assemble for the flag hoisting, followed by a mouth-watering breakfast, fully organized by the Chodia family. Uncle would be so excited on those days, smartly attired in his white safari suit with the national flag pinned in place. No visitor has left First Avenue without a silent admiration for Uncle and for the majesty of his wonderland of First Avenue. Uncle and I have spent several hours together, and in those meetings, he used to unravel his life's journey to me, almost like sharing with a friend, without a trace of pride of achievement or condescension. And I'd often pinch myself to believe that I was really sitting and chatting with such a towering personality who went by the name of Sri S.M. Chodia to the outside world. Gentle to a fault, despite advancing age and failing health, he would still make it a point to see his visitors off at the gate.
अंकल के बारे में सबसे पहली बात तो ये है कि there is a 2 generation gap. It's like a father son 2 generation का गैप है हम लोग के बीच में. बट हमेशा अंकल ने बिल्कुल दोस्तों की तरफ बातें की है हमसे और बहुत फ्रेंडली रखा एनवायरनमेंट को हमारे लिए. इतने सालों के एक्सपीरियंस में मैं इतना ही समझा अंकल के बारे में कि वो सबसे पहले दूसरों के बारे में सोचते हैं. पहले सबसे पहले कुछ भी सिचुएशन हो, कोई भी हो, खुशी का हो, दुख का हो, कोई नहीं, सबसे पहले दूसरों का सोचना है. दूसरे के शू में जाना है, उनके तकलीफों को पहले सोचना है, उनको पहले सॉल्व करके दे देना है. और मेरा भी यही एक्सपीरियंस रहा. वो मेरे साथ भी वैसे ही थे. पूरे करियर की शुरुआत, बहुत सारे मेरे काम के शुरुआत में उनका ही आशीर्वाद रहा है. मेरे लिए सबसे ज़्यादा मिस जो कर रहा हूँ मैं इज़ अबाउट द मॉर्निंग टीज आई यूज्ड टू हैव विथ हिम. बहुत सारी अच्छी इन्फॉर्मेशन हम लोग शेयर करते थे एक दूसरे के साथ. विल मिस हिम अ लॉट. ही हैज गाइडेड अस अ लॉट. Thank you so much, Uncle. Thank you.
I would like to say that Uncle is a man who lived for others.
God bless the Chorodia family and pray to overcome the huge double loss.
Deepest sympathies and condolences to the Chodia family. Our prayers for the peace and beautiful memories are always there with all of you. Auntie and uncle left us so soon, rather unexpectedly, but they live in our hearts and memories full of love, joy and compassion forever. I'm very fortunate to know this wonderful family since 2005, ever since I shifted to Chetpet, and we meet up every day in First Avenue with uncle and auntie joining us, sharing and celebrating all occasions, let it be birthday, anniversary, Holi, Pongal, Onam, Christmas, Republic, Independence Day, flag hoistings, etc. Uncle used to share a lot of stories with us, how AIM Jain College was started, its objectives, and he was so fond of the college, taking us to the college many times to show each and every progress step by step, including the new auditorium, computer lab, passenger lift, modern new hostel facilities, new school, etc., indoor stadium and new hostel facilities.
Following the legacy of philanthropy of his father, Sri Sardar Malsa Chordia served as secretary in A.M. Jain College, A.M. Jain School and Mohan Mal Chordia Industrial Training Center for over 3 decades. He energetically pursued the enablement of socially and economically deprived students through education to build their careers, which is the founding purpose of this institution. The college progressed with changing times, incorporating technology and development. He encouraged entrepreneurship by starting Seed for college students and the very useful book bank scheme. Due to his untimely demise, the institution has lost, for sure, a great academic administrator, a magnanimous leader, and a visionary par excellence.
सरदार मलसा और मेरा 80 साल का संबंध है। वो मेरे फादरली फिगर थे बिल्कुल, और मेरे से बहुत प्रेम रखते थे। मैं एक इंसिडेंट बताना चाहता हूँ कि जब हम छोटे थे तो 20 साल तक हम दोनों के एक ही शर्ट रहता था, 20 साल तक। और जब हम बिजनेस मोहन कंपनी के लिए यहाँ आए थे तो सरदार मलसा भी यहाँ आए थे, बेंगलोर, हम लोग यही थे और यही मोहन कंपनी वगैरह देख रहे थे। फिर बाद में मोहन चंद्रा ने मेडो फार्मा एक कंपनी छोटी सी मद्रास में दिलाई, तो वो मद्रास चले गए थे और वो उस कंपनी को स्क्रैच से आज ये एम्पायर इतना बड़ा किया।
हम लोग जब भी परिवार इकट्ठा होता था तो वो हमको हौसी खिलाते थे और हौसी में बहुत मजा आता था। मेन कारण ये था कि वो जो फॉरेन से गिफ्ट्स लाते थे वो उस टाइम बांटते थे। पापा का 2 बार तबीयत बहुत खराब हुआ, दोनों बार चेन्नई में हुआ और बाबा साहब और माँ ने इतना देखभाल किया और दोनों बार वो तंदुरुस्त होके वापस बेंगलोर लौटे।
Baba Sahib in last 10 years, according to me, was only about A.M. Jain College, A.M. Jain School and A.M. Jain Bal Vidya. वो इतना पैशनेट थे उसके बारे में, and we are so proud that A.M. Jain College and A.M. Jain School is इतना अच्छा है।
Thank you, miss you.
मेरा और उनका बहुत ही घनिष्ठ रिश्ता था। जब भी मैं चेन्नई जाता था तो रोज़ शाम को उनका बुलावा आ जाता था। उनके जैसे इंसान बहुत ही बिरले होते हैं। अगरचंद मानमल जैन कॉलेज को उन्होंने अपनी 30 साल की मेहनत और मार्गदर्शन से उच्चता के शिखर पर पहुंचा दिया। उनके द्वारा किए गए कार्य सबके दिलों में हमेशा रहेंगे। उनका सौहार्दपूर्ण स्वभाव, पारिवारिक प्रेम व उच्च विचार हम जीवन भर नहीं भूलेंगे।
श्री मोहन मलसा की प्रेरणा से मैं साहूकार पेट में पास रहने का अवसर मिला। इस कारण आना जाना परस्पर रहता था। सरदार मलसा मुझे हर चीज में सलाह मशवरा देते रहते थे। पाना और पेनविसा का व्यवहार मधुर और विवेकपूर्ण था। हालांकि छोटी बहन होने के नाते भी पाना और सरदार मलसा हमेशा मदद के लिए तैयार रहते थे। उनका मुस्कुराता चेहरा आज भी मेरी आंखों के सामने आता है।
आपके बिना मेरे जीवन में शून्य सा छा गया है। पिता समान मेरे जीवन के सहारे थे आप। मेरे बच्चों की जिंदगी बनाने वाले थे आप। हमेशा सबको साथ लेकर चलते थे आप। भविष्य की चिंता लिए परिवार के बारे में ही सोचते थे आप। जिसको जब जैसी जरूरत होती उसे पूरा करते थे आप। सिर का छत्र ही जला गया, बेटा हो या बेटी, सब आपके दिल के करीब महफूज समझते हैं। शामिल परिवार का रिवाज कितना प्यारा है, यह है तो हर सहारा है। एकता के गुण, संस्कार के सद्गुण बुजुर्गों की ही देन होती है। सहयोग की बातें, विकास की राहें, अमन, चैन व शकुन दिलाती है। सर्वशक्तियों से जब आप साथ थे हमारे, सब काम आसानी से होते थे। आप सबको कहते कभी हिम्मत न हारना, आगे बढ़ना, सफलता सामने खड़ी मिलेगी। एक दूसरे के जीने के लिए नाम ही जिंदगी है, वरना तो जीवन एक बोझ है। जिंदगी को लेके हमारी शिकायतें जितनी कम होगी, जिंदगी उतनी ही बेहतर होगी। रिश्ते हवा की तरह होने चाहिए, खामोश मगर आसपास। दर्द हद से ज्यादा गुजर जाता है तो इंसान खामोश हो जाता है। आंखों में समंदर भरा होता है पर एक बूंद भी छलकाता नहीं। प्यारे उदन सुमिता को भी मेरा आशीर्वाद है, वे ऐसे ही धैर्य रखते हुए इस घर की परंपरा को आगे बढ़ाएंगे। यही सच्ची श्रद्धांजलि होगी।
रहने को सदा दुनिया में आता नहीं कोई, लेकिन आप जैसे गए ऐसे भी जाता नहीं कोई। कर्म ऐसे करो कि आपकी खामोशियाँ भी बोलने लग जाए। श्री सरदार मलसा चोरडिया कम बोलते थे, लेकिन उनके काम हमेशा बोलते रहे। आपकी सोच, आपकी दरियादिली, आपका स्नेह और अपनापन हमारे दिलों में सदैव जिंदा रहेंगे। परिवार, समाज व धर्म के लिए जीने का पाठ आपने अपने पिता पद्मश्री सेठ साहब मोहन मलसा चोरडिया व माता श्री से सीखा। इन संस्कारों को आपने संजोया भी और अगली पीढ़ियों को दिया भी। चेन्नई में अग्रचंद मानमल फर्म की गिनती सदैव ही दानवीर भामाशाहों में होती रही। समाज के उत्कर्ष हेतु आपके परिवार का सहयोग सदैव अग्रणी व अविस्मरणीय रहा। साधु संतों का आपके परिवार पर सदा वरद हस्त रहा। कहते हैं इस जहाँ से जो गया वैसा न आया फिर कोई। आपकी शख्सियत खास थी, लेकिन जैसा मैं देखती हूँ पुत्र उदन चोरडिया व परिवार के अन्य सदस्य भी अपनी जिम्मेदारियों के प्रति उतने ही संवेदनशील हैं, सजग हैं और ये सभी मिलकर अपने परिवार के अच्छे कार्यों को बहुत ही आगे बढ़ाएंगे। माँ धरती और पिता आसमान होता है, जिनके साए में बच्चे सुरक्षित महसूस करते हैं। आप दोनों के यूं चले जाने से घर परिवार आहत है। इस असहनीय पीड़ा में परिवार धैर्य धारण करे। आप दोनों जहाँ भी रहें खुश रहें। ओम अर।
He was pride of Chordia family and our society at large. His devoted services to society will be missed very much. It is indeed an unbearable loss and shock to all of us. I pray Almighty give the family enough strength to bear the shock and guide us to follow his footsteps. They will cherish the great legacy of Sri Sardar Malsa and hope they will maintain it in high esteem and carry it further.
Our lives are never going to be the same always, and time always defines changes. But accepting the change to face this untimely void in Chorodia family is never going to be easy.
We as a family have seen, lived and also got inspired throughout our life from the greatness and achievements of Dada Sahab. He who has left us with so many lessons: importance of wisdom, adapting to newness, realization of time, being resourceful and supporting the needful.
His journey towards growth in the society and with the society and for the society has always and forever will be a path which we would want to follow. He is one of the great examples of administrator who has not only been a leader in the family but also a ladder of growth for the society. His presence has always been calming yet impactful. Working in the path of his great father Padma Shri Mohan Malsa Chorodia, he sets another great example.
पूजनीय काका साहब ने पैसा के जाने के बाद पिता का प्यार और आशीर्वाद हम पे रखा। जब भी काका साहब के पास बैठते बहुत ही सरलता से बात समझाते थे और मार्गदर्शन देते थे। उनका बड़प्पन था कि वो भी अपनी बात हमसे शेयर करते थे। हर वीकेंड में ताश खेलने के लिए हमें बुलाते थे। हमेशा मुझे ही पार्टनर बनाते थे। बोलते थे अच्छा हुआ तुम पास में आ गए। कहते मन नहीं लगता और तो यहाँ आ जाया करो, वो मेरा भी मन लग जाएगा।
मुझे काकासा काकीसा का हम पर विशेष आशीर्वाद था। मेरा हर बर्थडे और एनिवर्सरी बड़ी धूमधाम से मनाते थे, सरप्राइज पार्टी देते थे, होटल लेके जाते थे। मेरी 50th एनिवर्सरी तो गजब की मनाई थी। मुझे बच्चों की कभी कमी महसूस नहीं होने देते थे। मैं जब भी कुछ लेके आती तो पूछते, लाला क्या लेके आई हो, किसी भी बात लेके आई हो क्या, और उन्हें बहुत पसंद था। मुझे बहू के रूप में हमेशा बेटी की तरह रखते थे। हम भी उनके बताए हुए मार्गदर्शन पर चलने की कोशिश करें।
Dada Sahab was a golden-hearted and a modest person, a man of very few words, and he was a strong believer of the phrase, "Action speaks louder than words." We look up at him as a first-generation outbreak entrepreneur of our family. Yes, I am using the word outbreak since when he entered into business, finance and banking, in which our family already had a very big goodwill, was the only business that was considered to be safe, sound and secure. I remember hearing stories from my family how Dada Sahab would convince our family elders that he just wanted to start a repackaging unit of small chemicals. Later, he shared the simple logic behind it. The financing, business, module and ethics were already in order and a set routine. Where am I going to make a visible contribution in it? It was then that he started Meadow Farm. He had seen it grow to a stature where his brand name commands a huge respect and regards in pharma industry, education sector and our society. He was a leader in true manner. He would stand behind in success and let his team face and enjoy the cool breeze of winning, and will stand rock solid at the front of his team to protect them against any upcoming obstacles. The way you laid the strong foundation for the next generations will always be remembered and inspired.
Though there was an age gap of nearly 10 years, he never let us realize age gap, and he was one with us. This was one among his many qualities of leadership and participation which I will never forget.
My Nana sir told my mother that Sardar Mal has a Midas touch. Anything he touches will turn into gold. He was really a man with a heart of gold. Poise and grace were personified, you can say, whenever he walked inside. An impact was created. He had the art of helping. I was with him in Meadow Farm after finishing my college. I saw once Shivraj, an ex-employee, he started his own factory, came asking for help. He was going to Rajasthan. He wanted one chemist so that his factory could run. Mama sir called Sabapati sir. Sabapati sir told that I am not having enough to run my factory. I can't spare. But he said, this man's factory will close, so I want that you adjust and send him one. He had the observation power. If he passes from one end to another end, you can ask him, he would have seen everything there. Kindness and relationships were synonyms. Above all, he took responsibility. He took the responsibility, he took my responsibility when I had no elders. That was my Mama sir, Shri Sardar Mal sir.
आपने मुझे मान सम्मान प्यार जो दिया, मुझे इंडोनेशिया ले गए, वहाँ की यादें, मुझे बुरा जी कहकर बुलाना, ये सब बातें यादों को भुला नहीं पाऊँगा। आपकी आत्मा मोक्षगामी बने, मेरी परम पिता परमेश्वर से प्रार्थना करता हूँ।
जी चोरडिया हमारा परिवार का मित्र, फिलोसोफर और गाइड थे। वो धर्म प्रति अपूर्व श्रद्धा रखने वाले व्यक्ति थे। उसका निधन से खानदार परिवार में शून्यावकाश हो गया है। उनका गुणगान बोलने के लिए हमको 1 मिनट नहीं, पूरा 1 साल चाहिए। हम परम कृपालु परमात्मा को यही प्रार्थना करते हैं कि वो आत्मा शीघ्र महाविद्य क्षेत्र में सिमंदर स्वामी के पास संयम अंगीकार करके मोक्ष गति को पावे, यही श्रद्धांजलि कांदार परिवार की ओर से है।
He was a personality that comes once in 1,000 years. So large-hearted, so kind, dynamic, family-oriented, and with so much love to give to us in the family and to the society. उनकी खुशी दूसरों की खुशी में थी और वो और पाना भाई दोनों बहुत दानवीर और निस्वार्थ भावना से सेवा सहायता करने वाले थे। सरदार मलसा से मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है। उनकी हर बात, उनका अपनापन, उनकी पॉजिटिव और जेंटल पर्सनालिटी और उनका प्रेम से भरा दिल, सब कुछ बहुत याद आएगा। He took care of each and every one around him, and along with Panabai, they were the backbone and support of everyone in the Chordia as well as Baid family.
He used to love each and every one, not only in family but even in public also. We have lost one big pillar of our family.
I remember him as ever smiling and a jovial person. We can never forget his contribution to my family. He helped us arrange our family affairs in such a way such that the love, respect and bonding is maintained among the family members. Even now, for the forthcoming wedding in the family, in spite of the pandemic, he had assured whenever required to let him know and he would be there to bless the bride.
मुझसे कहा गया है कि मैं कुछ कहूँ, क्या न कहूँ। इस भीषण त्रासदी में इन 3 महीनों में 4 जनों का वियोग हुआ। हमेशा सुनते पढ़ते ही आए थे, लेकिन अब अपने ऊपर ही घटित हुआ है। समझ में आ रहा है हमारे हाथ में कुछ भी नहीं है, बस हम तो कर्मों के हाथों की कठपुतली है। यह समय सोचने का, समझने का है। मैं कुछ भी कहने की स्थिति में नहीं हूँ। कृपया आत्मचिंतन कीजिए। सब स्वस्थ रहे, सुखी रहे, संपन्न रहे।
काका साहब को भावपूर्ण श्रद्धांजलि। बचपन से लेके अभी तक बहुत सारी बातें, बहुत सारी यादें काका साहब की हमारे पास है। हमेशा मुझे कहते थे अधगेली, ये शब्द सुनने के लिए मेरे कान जरूर तरसेंगे। और हल्दीराम जब भी जाऊंगी काका साहब की याद बहुत आएगी। दिल्ली जब भी आते थे बिना हल्दीराम के खाए कभी नहीं गए। उनको हल्दीराम बहुत पसंद था दिल्ली का। अभी हाल ही में काका साहब की मैरिज एनिवर्सरी थी, तो मैंने ऐसे ही मजाक में अंकल से कहा कि अंकल आप आंटी को आज बोल दीजिए आई लव यू, एक रोज दे के। बोले हर साल तो मैं ही बोलता हूँ, इस बार काकी साहब को बोल रहे वो कह देंगे। और आप देखो दोनों ने दिखा दिया। 9 तारीख को काका साहब ने अपने लव का इजहार करके दिखा दिया। They are true lovebirds.
People say that I am a replica of my father, and I believe that. I would like to share an incident. When I returned from abroad first time and landed at Chennai airport, one of the custom officers looked at me and called me, "Can you come in the side, madam?" He took me in his cabin. I was so scared. What was wrong? But he told, "Madam, what will you have, tea or coffee?" He told that I resemble like my father. I was so proud, and this is what I am today. I wish I could be like my father. At least some good points I could take forward and do all good deeds what everyone expected from me.
Memories are one of the true riches that life offers. And right now, I have many wonderful thoughts in my mind. Papa would begin his day with the blessings of my grandparents. 10 a.m. and my dad would sit in the car, and on the way to the office he would call me every day. It was an assurance that I'm safe, and more than that, a feeling that I'm always there for you. Tarak Mehta was his daily dose of laughter. A child could be seen in my papa whenever he would watch this. He would be laughing so loudly that it would be a rejoice for us to see him laugh. These are the people who have been with my father for decades. Every one of them share wonderful memories, and every one of them have so many anecdotes and things to say about it. Blessed are those who live together and depart together. There is a short story in English. Once upon a time, there was a king and a queen, and they lived happily ever after. We love you, Mom and Dad.
माँ बाबा ने मुझे जन्म नहीं दिया, किंतु दुनिया दिखाई है, दुनियादारी सिखाई। इस गीत द्वारा मैं अपने उद्गार प्रकट कर रही हूँ। मुझे यह दुनिया दिखलाए, मुझे बोलना चलना सिखाए। ओ माँ बाबा तुम्हें वंदन, मैंने किस्मत से तुम्हें पाए। मैं जब से जग में आई, तब थी शीतलता छाई। कभी सहलाया गोदी में, कभी कंधों पे बिठाया। मेरे सर पे हाथ रख कर बस प्यार ही प्यार लुटाया। ओ माँ बाबा तुम्हें वंदन, मैंने किस्मत से तुम्हें पाया। मैं उठा कर सर चल पाऊं, इस लायक तुमने किया है। कहीं हाथ नहीं फैलाऊं, मुझे तुमने इतना दिया है। मुझे जग की रीत सिखाई, मुझे धर्म का पाठ पढ़ाया। ओ माँ बाबा तुम्हें वंदन, मैंने किस्मत से तुम्हें पाया। धरती सा धीरज तुमसे, आसमां सम ऊंचाई। सूरज जो तेरा डूबा तो घोर अंधेरी छाई। मैं फर्ज निभा पाऊं तो समझूंगी अंश चुकाया। आओ माँ बाबा तुम्हें वंदन, मैंने किस्मत से तुम्हें पाया। मैंने किस्मत से तुम्हें पाया।
Papa and Mummy welcome me into this family with open arms. Today, whatever I am, it is all their grooming.
Dad was a great teacher. He taught us humility and human values. He taught us calmness in turbulent times. He taught us the rewards of patience. He taught us modesty. He taught us everyone is an equal. There was an instant at Meadow Farm when I joined in, and to an outsider where I introduced one of the colleagues at Meadow Farm as he works for me. Dad took me aside and told, nobody works for you, then they work with you. This was his kind nature. He treated everyone equal and he wanted equal respect to be given to all. He never liked the distinction of big and small, rich and poor. For him, it was all friends, only some friends the closer. This was Dad, in very simple terms, a simple human being. And God had been kind to him that He gave him an opportunity to be part of an educational institution for a long time where he could be surrounded with people who added more value to him or to whom he could add more value to. To us, he meant everything. Today what we are is all his teachings. We only hope we can grow further and do at least what he had done for the society, for the people and for the large family that he created through Meadow Farm, through A.M. Jain College and through the Chordia family, Beth family. We only seek their blessings. Love you, Dad.
Baba was a father figure to me. He held my hand and taught me little nuances of life. He taught me how to deal with delicate issues concerning the family, business and A.M. Jain College and school. Last 10 years, he's been grooming me how to handle matters of the college and school. He set very high standards in every field. His generosity and magnanimity are incomparable. His humor and smile will always be missed by all. Baba was an exceptional, splendid, phenomenal, truly the best, who stood by his principles till the very end.
Baba was a man with golden heart.
Baba always used to encourage. Baba told me when Angrezi started not to focus on the losses but focus on how to take it forward. Baba, you've left a void that cannot be fulfilled by anyone. Baba always used to motivate and build our self-confidence.
Dada was a kind and respectful man who helped shape my childhood and has taught me my morals. Diwali crackers without him would never be the same.
Dada found joy in small things. He was larger than life. He was the one who taught me how to shop, not just for myself, for everyone else as well.
We
will miss you, Dada.
Baba, my godfather, taught us everything to make us wiser. Work ethics were clean, disciplined and tighter. In simple ways, meaning of life he would deliver. Laid down benchmarks to better. Never did he worry for any blunder. Reassured he would, you can surely do better. Others' success made him happier. Respect at work to colleagues ever. Wisdom-filled business acumen to ponder. Life experiences to learn and remember. Multitasking, it was his expectation forever. Thinking big to achieve and grow. Uplift another. Cool, calm and composed. In crisis, deliver. Get the best of people, succeed together. Help anyone in need to recover. Follow every rule, no compromise whatsoever. Grow your thought and develop character. Make things in company and society better. Persevere for a purpose and give up never. A tribute to a doyen of pharma industry, I would be a follower. Aspire to reach his high expectations.
Baba was a pillar of Chorodia family. He was totally dedicated towards the betterment of society and committed towards the welfare of every member of family. He would appreciate and encourage smallest of achievements to develop our confidence. His smile and attitude towards life will be remembered and followed forever.
Dada was very welcoming and kind. That I used to go every day through school to spend time with him. He taught me to socialize and spend more time with people. And because of the encouragement, I became moved.
He was always very calm and encouraging. He was very joyful and cheerful. He always believed in hard work and dedication.
We love you, Baba.
जब भी दादा साहब को फ्री रहते संडे के दिन, तब हमें गेम्स खिलाते थे, प्रोजेक्टर ऑन करके पिक्चर्स दिखाते थे और अच्छे अच्छे शिक्षास देते थे। मेरी शादी हो गई और मैं जोधपुर शिफ्ट हो गए थे। उसके बाद जब भी वो जोधपुर आते थे, हमसे मिलते थे, कुचेरा आने के लिए भी बोलते थे, पर उनकी यादें हमारे साथ रहेगी। हमारे
Mom saw you getting tired and nothing that she could do to cure you. So she put her arms around you and whispered, "Come to me." With tearful eyes we watched you and saw you pass away. Although we loved you dearly, we could not make you stay. A golden heart stopped beating, hard-working hands to rest. God broke our hearts once again to prove us He only takes the best.
When we used to go and play housey every day, and I used to lose and I used to cry, and at the end he used to see to it that I take a gift and go back home happily. It was not about the gift, but he never liked me crying. Maybe anybody, but I feel that he never wanted me to cry. So he always saw to it that anybody leaving from him is happy.
BABA very clearly can never ever forget your encouraging words, your never say die attitude to life and business, your magnanimity towards all, always respecting elders. You have been the visionary industrialist and stylish business tycoon of our family. A.N. Jain College and Weather Farms will always cherish your pleasant memories. On behalf of our entire family and our Aditya Group, we pay our sincere homage to great visionary BABA Sri Sardar Manji Chorodia. You shall always stand an inspiration for generations.
Baba, one personality but many facets to it. Bhaisa's younger brother and more like a son. The last few years when Bhaisa was alive, Baba and Ma made it a point to come home and visit them every Sunday. after Bhaisa left us, he's been like a father figure for Papa and Mummy. We 3 daughters were at peace that they are at Harrington Road playing cards, having a good time on many Sundays. Baba Ma with Bhaiya Bhabiji never missed celebrating any special occasion for Papa Mummy and getting a smile on their face. It's easy to tell but difficult to do for others. You'll always remain an inspiration for us, Baba.
Baba was a down-to-earth person who believed in simplicity and generosity. He was a multitasker who possessed leadership qualities. He worked and served the society with ease and wisdom. Baba valued relationships. कुछ रिश्ते ऊपर वाला बनाता है, कुछ रिश्ते लोग बनाते हैं. वो लोग बहुत ही खास होते हैं जो बिना रिश्ते के रिश्ते निभाते हैं. He was a great companion. His group of friends and team of workers are proof of it, as they never left his side and nor did he. Baba was a family man who felt that it was his responsibility to keep all his family members happy. Baba was the best partner anyone could ask for. He was beside Ma in everything she did, and everywhere they traveled together. He also followed her when she left us. Baba, you're my inspiration. We love you, Baba.
Christmas comes once a year, but he was our Santa every day.
The child in him came alive when he would sneak out chocolates and eat with us.
He told us lots of magical stories in which he was the hero, and soon he became the superhero for us all.
He always taught us life is a celebration. There's never been a dull moment with him.
Cards were not just a game, but his tournament. Teasing Nani was not on his face, but just a game. Nana was someone with silver in his hair, but he had a heart of gold. We love you forever, Nana. We miss you, Nana.
फुफुसा एंड बुआसा हमेशा मेरे आदरणीय रहे हैं. फुफासा, आपका जीवन व्यक्तित्व बहुत ऊंचा था. आपके आचार विचार सदा ही धरातल पे रहते थे. बुआसा, आपने छोटों को बहुत ममता दी. आपकी ममता के आंचल से हम बैद बंधे हुए हैं. आप बैदों की नयन प्यारी एवं दुलारी थी. बुआसा, आपने बड़े रचनात्मक व्यंजन खिलाए एवं छोटों को आप उपहारों से लाद देती थी. आपका आभार कैसे व्यक्त करें हम बहुएं नहीं जानती. फुफुसा हमेशा विनम्रता से ओत-प्रोत कहते थे. आपने रोहित, हर्ष और वारिदी को बहुत लाड दिया. आप दोनों की जगह कोई नहीं ले सकता.
दादा नाना जिस चीज़ में अपना मन लगाते थे उसमें होल हार्टेडली पूरा एफर्ट्स डालते थे. चाहे वो बिजनेस क्यों ना हो या AM जैन कॉलेज का अपब्रिंगिंग क्यों ना हो, हर चीज़ में ही गेव इज़ 100%. ये चीज़ उनके बारे में मुझे बहुत इंस्पायर करती है और वो अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड, अपने सोलमेट के पास चले गए हैं जैसे उनको जाना था. हम लोग को तो खाली छोड़ गए, पर शायद वो ऊपर जाके मिले हैं और अब हमारे स्काई में 2 बड़े बड़े बहुत शाइनिंग स्टार्स होंगे.
Banana told us a lot of magical stories.
He made us believe that all the stars in the sky were the sixers that he hit in cricket.
And the moon was the football that he kicked.
We will always remember his magical stories. We will always remember him in our heart.
He was proud of his family. We loved Bada Dada more, but Bada Dadi and God loved Bada Dada.
उनकी सरलता एवं सादगी से हम बहुत प्रभावित हुए हैं. उनके जाने से पूरे जैन समाज में बहुत बड़ी क्षति हुई है. हम अपने परिवार की ओर से दिवंगत आत्मा की शांति की कामना करते हैं.
चेन्नई के दोनों वरिष्ठ श्रावक और श्राविका श्री की निधन दुखद है और आज सिर्फ चेन्नई ही नहीं बल्कि पूरा भारतवर्ष के लिए एक अपूर्णीय क्षति हुई है. जैन एवं अन्य संस्थाओं में चाहे वो शिक्षा हो, चिकित्सा हो, उद्योग के उन्नति का कार्यों में विभिन्न पदों पर रहते हुए उन्होंने अपने कर्तव्य निष्ठा से एक गहरी छाप छोड़ी है. आपको पता है कि पद्मश्री स्वर्गीय श्रीमान मोहनलाल साहब का ससुराल कालूराम साहब मोतीलाल साहब बाफना के यहाँ था और हमारे पूज्य माता श्री कमलाबाई बाफना उनको याद करते हुए कहते हैं कि सरदार मनसा और दादी साहब पन्ना देवी इस उम्र में भी अपने ननियाल हमारे स्वर्गीय पूज्य श्री दादी साहब से मिलने खुद आते थे. यह दोनों सरल स्वभाव के थे और सरदार मनसा के बारे में तो कितना भी बोले तो वह कम ही होगा.
Sardar Malsa was a compassionate leader who treated his employees as if they were family. a true pioneer who spearheaded the export of pharmaceuticals from Tamil Nadu. As the chairman, he oversaw Meadow Farm's expansion geographically across 90 plus countries and with the establishment of state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities with world-class accreditations such as UK MHRA. Under him, Meadow Farm was recognized by prominent dignitaries including the then President and Prime Minister of India. He actively participated in expanding the company footprint such as collaboration in the United Kingdom, Sudan, as well as joint venture with Tablets India Limited. In addition to his business role, he was an active member in pharma trade bodies and represented India in numerous trade delegations across the globe. His vision and dynamism has strengthened us to scale up from a startup venture to grow into a multinational global enterprise.
I met Ayya on February 22nd, 1970 at the Meadow Farm office. From that time onwards, our association continued for more than 51 years. He was very much affectionate and had very much confidence on me. Ayya was very simple, ever smiling gentleman, talented, intelligent, kind-hearted, friendly, quite unassuming, calm with patience and with all leadership qualities. He was liked, loved and respected by all. He was a legend and pillar in the pharma industry. He was fondly called Ayya not only by the Meadow Farm people but also by the other pharma community. This was a great honor for him. During a fire accident in the factory, he was very much concerned with the well-being of the injured workers rather than his loss.
Sardar Mansoria ji, he actually took over as president of the pharmaceutical manufacturers in Tamil Nadu. From then onward, things changed because everybody was accepting him as a leader, and he had this all-inclusive leadership qualities. Like, embarrasses everybody, brings everybody together. He gives opportunity for everybody. Yeah, that's such a wonderful thing that everybody came under one umbrella, and things have never turned back for Tamil Nadu. Even today, it is I follow what the inclusive leadership which I learned from Sri Sardar Malchodia, and he's a wonderful person, a noble person, broad-minded, noble, and supportive for everybody.
Chairman sir was a leading light in every way, leading the company till the last day. I still recall that I would come from Bombay and in a few days that I stayed in Chennai, and if he was around he would ask for me, and we would sit together and chat for a few minutes. I would get some very, very lively and gem of advice from him on the running of the business. Man of great wisdom, man with enormous capability to charity, and man who would keep people always in great humor.
Let me tell you, being a chairman of the company, he really never chaired his position. He has actually taught us the true value of human relationships, bonding, family relation. He has actually built us to build his business. With his kind and philanthropist nature, both of them were always keen to understand the need of the people, to stand beside them, to create platforms where they can help the needy persons. And lot many projects are still live today. Even in the mid of pandemic, they have created the medical support system for the people to fight the COVID. I really miss them, their physical presence, but I also know that in and around us, showering their blessings always. I will try to see that how we can live their dreams by following their footsteps with a small prayer I want to end my message for the soul consciousness. मैं शांति से परिपूर्ण, खुशियों से संपन्न और जीवन मरण से परे एक आत्मा हूँ. ओम नमः शिवाय. ओम शांति.
Only as a national president of Indian Drug Manufacturing Association, but as a family friend of a meadow farm, we have always respected Sardar Malji as our friend, philosopher and a guide. Sudden demise of a Sardar Malji has given us a great shock. He was a great and a graceful person who unified all the association of Tamil Nadu with his all-inclusive leadership. He was a trendsetter and a pharmaceutical expert. At this hour, we convey our heartfelt condolence to particularly Udhan Bhai and Choridia ji family. And वीर प्रभु महावीर से हम प्रार्थना करते हैं कि सदगत का आत्मा जल्दी से जल्दी मोक्षगामी बने. जय जिनेंद्र.
Whenever we mention the name Sardar Malchodia, the first thing that comes to our mind is a smiling face. A man with a helpful nature and who will bend backwards to help others. He has helped many families to come up in life and help many youngsters to get employment in life. Actually, many official posting came after him, but he was not interested in anything. He is a Staraprigyan. That means he is neither affected by sorrow or by joy. Whatever comes, he takes it. The biggest asset with him is he will never get put out for anything, and he used to tell me, every problem has a solution. Don't worry, we will find a solution for any problem. Many of you may not know, he was a local committee member in ECGC, and whenever Rajasthan government sends people abroad, especially in pharma industry, he will be one of the delegates. And whenever Rajasthan government celebrates Sons of the Soil, he will also be one of the inviters. All these things never made him lose his composure or coolness. He used to behave as if he is one among us.
I have always revered him for his deep insight of business, knowledge of law and procedures, and the uncanny style of conveying his thoughts for needful action. Not an opportunity would be missed by him to visit office, factory and the college, and all credits go to him for developing these institutions. To him, his company, his college and his team of people mattered most. As the tagline of our company conveys, he valued life in every sphere of activity. He never forced himself on anyone and always remained incognito during his visits. His presence was indeed a stimulation and comfort to his people. Being reticent by nature, only his expressions would reveal his emotions. Best form of tribute would be in emulating his ideals, vision and carry forward his legacy.
I have a long association with Mr. Sardar Malchodia, Managing Director of Meadow Farm, since 1970. We do meet him mostly every day at Meadow Farm when it was at Mount Road, Chennai. We never mingled with him as a government official, but as a guiding factor and giving him all the advices for the profession of pharmacy. He is a very simple person and never got annoyed or tensed during the time of work in the factory. He is a very great person. Mr. Sardar Mal is always want the best quality of medicine to be marketed by them. He is a very cool and calm person and listen to others. Today we are seeing Meadow Farm is one of the best pharma reputed factory, manufacturing all the ranges of pharmaceuticals in Tamil Nadu. He is also a very simple and helping tendency to all the people.
I have always
always consider him as the Ashoka pillar of Medafarm. And I would recollect my memories 15 years ago when I was the unit in charge of MSL1. At the time when he comes for rounds, I used to accompany him for the rounds, and I also got the opportunity of being with him in the Trivika Road.
We fondly used to call him Babu Sahab. I have been in association for the last 40 years, and during the last 20 years I have moved very closely with him. He is a great personality, and at the same time he was down to earth. He was a great visionary, and whenever we had any problems, we used to approach him and used to make them look so simple because of his sagacity and wisdom. We will dearly miss him. He had made Medafarm a very strong company.
I learned a lot of things from Sadhan Ayya, and as a typist, and then I do lot of things, import, export, and I learned everything from him. And then he is a very, very good human being and good administrator. He do lot of help to the people.
Hi all, Savapati and Udan. I'm very painful to know the untimely and sad news of that Sardar Malji is no more with us. It's extremely painful to know this news, and I know him for last almost 30 years now, and he has been a good friend to me and to all my colleagues and all to people whom I know. I know him as a very respectable person and very intelligent and knowledgeable person. He is into pharmaceutical business as a passion. He gave much importance to the quality and also to the welfare of his employees and known friends.
ஐயா இன்று நம்மிடம் இல்லை. என்னை பொறுத்தவரை எனக்கு அவர் கடவுள் மாதிரி. நான் கஷ்டப்பட்ட காலத்தில் எனக்கு நிறைய உதவிகள் செய்து என்னை தூக்கிவிட்டவர் அவர்தான். என் வாழ்க்கைக்கு ஒளியேற்றியரும் அவர்தான். அவர் எல்லோருக்கும் உதவி செய்து எல்லோரையும் காப்பாற்றியுள்ளார். அவருடைய ஆத்மா சாந்தி அடைய எல்லாம் உள்ள இறைவனை வேண்டுகிறேன். அவர்களின் குடும்பத்தாருக்கு எனது ஆழ்ந்த அனுதாபத்தை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன்.
Sardar Malji was a legend in the pharmaceutical industry for many decades. To be a legend in the most competitive field is a remarkable performance. So Sardar Malji could do it easily because he is a nice, warm, cordial, gentle person with very high positive attitude. We all used to call him Ayya. We salute you, we thank you, we are grateful to you, and we pray to God to bless you and keep you in His fold.
Since 1981 I was in the pharma business. We used to visit Medafarm regularly and was doing small business. It so happened in 1988 that they had invited us for a housewarming ceremony where I saw a bouquet stating us many happy returns of the day. So I went to him and asked him, was it his birthday? He said yes. We were both born on Christmas Day. So every year I used to visit him in the morning, have breakfast with him and continue. Then he used to go to Rajasthan on his birthday to his Kuladevam temple. So I used to call him from here and we used to wish each other. In 2008, I started my another company, Pharma Road, for which he came and blessed us. And we grew from strength to strength. Wherever I used to go, people used to ask me to whom you're supplying. I used to tell I'm supplying to Meadowfarm, which is house of quality, which brand he had built. So, and whenever we used to go to his house, mother used to tell Wango, she used to tell, and Mr. And Ayya used to tell Nalarke Appa. This is how it continued, and I still remember his genuine face and genuine smile, and just keep this and keep remembering him. I can never ever forget him. What we are today is just because of him.
My connection with Sardar Malji started in 1954 when we went for educational tour to Coimbatore and Ooty from Jain High School. He was my senior in the school as well as in Jain College in 1958. He treated me not as a raw material supplier or a trader, but as a member of his extended Meadowfarm family.
Working in Meadowfarm from 1982, joined by our chairman. He was only appointed by him. I was being appointed by him, our chairman, Sir Ayya, who is a very simple and a genuine person, and we really miss Sir Ayya for a lot for working in it. He was really helping all the needy, and whomever he was having any difficulty, he used to ask me, if anybody having any difficulties, you just inform so that I can have the help the poor. And he used to really help all from the trust, all the fees, whatever for the poor people, he used to give us fees for the needy people.
Thank you very much for all the friends and family members.
नमो अरियंतानंग नमो सिद्धानंग नमो आईजानंग नमो वज्जायनंग नमो लोहे शब्द श्रवणम मंगलम भगवान वीरो मंगलम गौतम प्रभु मंगलम स्थूलि भद्राद्य अजेंद्रमोस्तु मंगलम सर्व मंगल मंगल्यम सर्व कल्याण कारणम प्रधानम सर्वधर्मानां जैनम जयति शासनम अंगुष्ठे अमृत वर्षे लब्धितना भंडार श्री गुरु गौतम संबंधी मन वंचित फलदाता चैता भारंगा संचक्रवर्ती मैत्यो संति संति करे लोहे पत्तो गए मनोत्तरम उपसर्गा क्षमयांति छिद्यंते विघ्न वलय मन प्रसन्नता मेति पूज्यमान्य जिनेश्वरे चैत्या भारंगवासं चक्रवर्ती मैद्यो संति संति करे लोहे पत्तो गए मनोत्तरम वसगरं पासं पासं मंदा में कम गण मुखम विचार विष निन्नासं मंगल कल्याणावसं विचार पुलिंगा मंतं कंठे धारे जो सया मनुवत सग रोग मारी दुट्ट जरा जंती चित्त दूरे मंतो तुझे प्रणाम होई बहु फलोई नर तेरिये सुई जीवा पावंत्य विज्ञान जीवा ऐरा मरंग ठानंग बत्ती पर निपर ये अनता देवती च वोई भवे भवे पाश जिन चंद भवे भवे पाश जिन चंद तारी मंगलम अरिंदा मंगलम सिद्धा मंगलम साहु मंगलम केवली बंटे रमो मंगलम चतारी लोगतम अरिंता लोगतम सिद्धा लोगतम साहु लोगतम केवली पंडितमो लोगतम चतारी शरणं पवज्जामि हरियन्ते शरणं पवज्जामि सिद्धे शरणं पवज्जामि साहु शरणं पवज्जामि केवली पनत्तम धम्मं शरणं पवज्जामि हरियंता जी को शरणो सिद्धा जी को शरणो साधु जी को शरणो केवली परुपित दया धर्म को शरणो चार शरणा दुख हरणा औरन शरणों कोई जो भव प्राणी याद रहे तो अक्षय अमर पद हो।